Hey there, welcome back. You can tell, probably hear, it's super windy today. I'm back at the local park trying to move this carp again. I don't know, guys. It's pretty freaking windy, like 30-mile-an-hour gusts. So I don't know. We'll see. A day off, so figured a couple hours to kill, get out, see if we can do something. Although it's pretty windy, I hope it don't blow away. But yeah, stick with me. See what we can do. Sorry about the wind. All right, y'all. We got the 2 rods set up on some bobbers. Got one with corn, one with a piece of shrimp. I don't know. They're blowing right back to shore. We'll see. I don't know how long this trip is going to be, but we're going to try and catch some bass. See what we can do. So, yeah. Y'all, we went to the other side where the wind is at my back and my bobbers won't get blown up to shore, so we'll see. Like I said, I ain't too confident right now, but ideally this isn't where I like to fish. I usually like to fish on the other side, but hey, give it a whirl. Yeah, we did. Oh my, look at that fucking crappie, y'all. I didn't even know there was crappie in here. Come here, buddy. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Look at that. That is a nice size crappie. Oh man, I think I might have to get my Emos. Didn't even know there was crappie in here, y'all. That's an eater right there. Yeah, we freaking did, y'all. Look, that's a decent sized crap. Yeah. Oh. I think we might be taking him home, to be honest with you. Had me some crappie this weekend. I don't know. We'll probably just throw him back, y'all. Probably just throw you back, guy. You're lucky. Next time you're coming home with me. Hell yeah. Nice. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Not a big one, but it's a fish, y'all. Sure effing did. Easy, buddy. Just a little guy. Pretty. Very healthy. Oh. At least we're catching, y'all. You know what I mean? Like almost 40-mile-an-hour winds, and at least we're catching some damn fish. That's what I'm talking about. Let's do her again. Just ridiculous. All right, y'all, caught them 2 fish. Guess this will be a short video. East wind is just something else. It's catching trees. I mean, you can hear it obviously in the background. So this is what we're gonna call it. We didn't catch nothing on the catfish rods. No carp, no catfish, just crappie and a bass. But hey, we got out here for a shitty ass windy day and made something happen. So until next time, rip lips, fish on.